I've got all my posts set here behind me. Mama wanted a section of privacy fence put in on this side of our house. Now, I'm going to take this piece of 2x4 and show you what I'm doing different from most applications. Most of the time, people take a post like this on privacy fences and they'll nail their 2x4s, lay them flat just like that, and they'll put one up high, one in the middle, one down low. Then they'll attach their cedar planks to the front of that. You know, the ones that have the little dog ear at the top, like it comes to a point, Game of Thrones stuff. I have nothing against that kind of fence, but I like to do things a little different. So on my fence, we're taking, instead of laying the 2x4 like this, we're laying it upwards, which is stronger anyway, and putting it towards the inside edge where it's flush. Then we're attaching our cedar planks, and then dressing it out with some 1x4s, and then put a 2x6 on the very top of this fence, and it boxes it in, and it looks amazing. I'm going to run you around the other side of the house real fast and show you a section that I've already got done, and it'll make more sense. Hang tight. Okay, so we're buzzing around the house here. The deck and the pool. Boy, I'll be glad we can use that pool again. This section of fence, I did that way, and I was really happy how it turned out. You'll notice that right here, this 2x4 that I've got my hand on, we're looking at the inside edge. Everything is flush. Hang on. Sun. Everything is flush on the inside. When you're looking at it from the back and you have the finished product, it actually looks pretty good, even though you're on the inside where there's not the decorative trim. And there's still enough of a lip in case your grandkids want to climb around on it like monkeys. They can. From the front side, you'll notice this is the side where you can see the planks, and where I dress this. Once we get these planks attached to the 2x4s that are behind this, you're left with a little bit of room here, and you can dress it with a 1x4 on the top and down here on the bottom to where it's all closed in. Then when you're standing back looking at it, I think it looks really nice myself. And then of course you've got a 2x6 on top of it as a nice flat edge. And you can attach, some people I've even seen put potted plants on that stuff. Now this fence is not all aged like that. My wife wanted that look on purpose. Whatever. I like it okay. It kind of matches everything else around our home. So anyway, that's that. We're getting ready to get started here in a minute. The last thing I was going to tell you, you're going to notice, because I'm going to put this baby on high speed so you're not sitting through the grueling numbness of watching me work like a drone. But when you put your 4x4 post in the ground, I always put mine 2 feet deep. These are 8-foot 4x4s, so naturally they're supposed to be 6 feet sticking out of the ground. Unfortunately, the ground that I live on down here, it's lower than it is back here next to the house. So you got a gradual incline going up towards the house, which means that a lot of these 4x4s are going to be progressively higher than the others. What I personally do, even if it makes the fence just a little under 6 feet behind me, I start at my low point right there next to the goat fence, and I put a 2x4 with a level on it across the top, and I'm going to cut every one of these so that from the street all you see is a nice flat fence all the way across. I'm a little guy, I'm 5'6", so if this fence is just a little under 6 feet, I don't care. I want it to look aesthetically pleasing, and that's what counts. So enough talk, let's get after it. Just a quick FYI in case you're a first time do-it-yourselfer. If you need to stretch a string and you want to get it level, they sell these at Lowe's. And all it does, it connects to the top of a string with these clips. And then that thing just hangs there. You can pull it up. And it gets you pretty darn close where you need to be. Make your mark. Good to go.
What do you got to lose? seeing a passing car, and I'm on my way down a winding desert highway, and I got no idea where I'm going. No, I don't have a clue. The world goes by me frame by frame through the windshield I am looking through. I'm a human tumbleweed. I go where Jesus blows me, and I never cease to be amazed at the miracles that He shows me. I can't think of another place I'd rather be so far, 'cause I'm learning more about the Lord through the windshield of this old blue car. Top down, warm day, pick up a stranger along the way. I drop him off, grab a bite to eat at a roadside truck stop. Most folks think that I'm insane for living like I do. I guess it all depends upon your point of view. I'm a human tumbleweed. I go where Jesus blows me, and I never cease to be amazed at the miracles that He shows me. I can't think of another place I'd rather be so far, 'cause I'm learning more about the Lord through the windshield of this old blue car. You gotta say a word, do a deed, lend an ear, feel the need, pump some gas, check the oil, then off we go again. I'm a human tumbleweed. I go where Jesus blows me, and I never cease to be amazed at the miracles that He shows me. I can't think of another